So Anthropic just combined the Chat and the Cowork tab together to create a new Home tab. And they added a lot of features within the desktop app that increases the quality of life along the way. The simplest way that I'll say it is Chat, just chatting. Cowork, it's literally gonna take files and do things on your behalf. Like you just had a successful conversation, you want it to be systematized. Now Claude made it as easy as turn it into a skill, or let's actually just put this on a schedule and let's have it run, every Monday at 9 a.m. kind of thing, right? So as we see here, we now have a Home tab that is combined with Chat and Cowork. Now, if you know me, I've been screaming from the rooftops for this to happen. I think in many ways, through all the trainings, everyone kept asking me, JJ, what is the Chat tab? What is the Cowork tab? How do I use what? It's just one now. I don't need to explain that anymore. I'm super excited here. But we still kind of need to explain it in a little bit because we have this Chat and Cowork capability, right? The simplest way that I'll say it is Chat, just chatting. Cowork, it's literally going to take files and do things on your behalf. Now, I haven't tested it enough yet to see if you start to ask things in Chat, is it going to auto switch you to Cowork? I'm not sure if it's there yet. But generally within Cowork, it's going to look at files on your computer, read those files, and do things with those files. And that's kind of where it's different from Chat, which Chat is just, it's in the cloud, it's just doing things for you, and usually have to copy and paste stuff, right? So now that we have this combined within Cowork, that also means that we have some new capabilities up here. Now, before we get into this and this, I want to talk about this. So this is a new composer option right here that allows you to quickly just talk about or do things that Claude can do on your behalf. So in this case, I'd say, hey, Claude, find me some of the good restaurants to eat in Rochester, New York. All right, so I'm going to do that. But at the same time, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to ask it something else. Let's see. Hey, Claude, I'm looking for the best AI tool. What is the best AI tool on the market right now? All right, so I have multiple chats going here, and I can at any point bring this into Cowork, maximize it, and I can start to see this here, or I can keep going around and I can bring this with me here. So I start to be able to multitask mode a little bit better here as I'm able to kind of bring these along with me, take them, etc. Now, if I go back into my tasks here, I want to see if I'm going to be able to kind of close this out. So I can't actually, let's see, I could turn it into a skill directly. Now they've added all this little stuff in here, but I can't actually bring it down here. So once you open it up, you can't bring it back, but it's nice to be able to have that. Now I do want to come back to this because look normally when you're talking through a thread, at the end of the thread, you say, okay, Claude, now turn this into a skill. That is a really good workflow that we teach a lot of people of you just had a successful conversation. You want it to be systematized. Now Claude made it as easy as turn it into a skill, or let's actually just put this on a schedule and let's have it run, every Monday at 9 a.m. kind of thing, right? So I really like the updates that we've made there. Over here in the recents, you can see that we have Cowork as in the to-do list and Chat as in the chat bubble, okay? So that's how we're determining which is which. We can pin our conversations up here as well, and of course, unpin them too, okay? Move them down, etc. The desktop app has gotten a lot of love, and it just keeps getting better and better. Now, let's go into projects. Now, specifically, I am on a team account here, okay? Now, within a team account, I can have projects that I share with my team. I can have projects that have been shared with me. And when I go to create a new project, I can choose by default if I'm going to share this with my company or actually just by myself with, in a private way. So I love that Cowork can now have shared projects, right? That's a really big thing, and I absolutely love that. And so if I were to go into Ultimate Jet Vacations here, I can see that I have the ability to create some tasks here. I can add memory, I can add files, instructions, and then I can go off and I can share it with everyone in my team. Now, this used to be only available for those on the chat plan. Chat projects only used to be shareable. Cowork only used to be local. Now, Cowork and chat projects are both shareable. So we can go into each of our clients and say, hey, client X, client A, we're going to load in all the files, our proposals, our timelines, our estimates, share that with our team, and we can start to multiplayer experience Chat Cowork working through each of these projects together. I'm very excited for that. And if you're not on the team plan, check out the team plan, because the team plan for your team, it really is where you need to be. It's the unlock. It brings in a lot of things like sharing here. Also, it has, like, if you go into customize and you go into skills, I can browse skills for what is shared within our organization here, connectors and plugins, what is shared within our organization here. So it's an easy way to share skills and plugins just by your org, rather than only being able to see, like the marketplace plugins, etc. Right? So really good stuff there. Again, this got an update as well. We're starting to see a lot of updates across the board. Also with the team plan, this is not new, but you can have a general wiki for your team plan and you can start to build this up. We probably don't use this as much as we should. It seems very helpful. We can connect Notion to this. We can connect a lot of other things to this, bring it all together and just make it really easy to ask 10x. I'm actually going to add that on my to-do list to do this week. Let's get to artifacts though. So let's talk about artifacts, because these have also been updated. The first thing that you'll see is import from link. So you can import an artifact from someone else directly into here for you to create. That's really handy. Say someone else created an ROI calculator that you want to use for a new client, pass that artifact, put it in here, and that'd be helpful. Or you can go in here and create a new artifact. In this example, I have built a due diligence dashboard for a use case that I was building out for a firm. And within that, we had like a folder structure showing in progress, completed, and it would run the due diligence checklist and all of that. And I built a artifact that showed the pipeline of all this, right? It's really helpful to visualize Cowork working through all this. Now you can share this. So now this is shared with anyone at my org. They can go in and see this, or I can copy this link. Now Cowork, in the past, you couldn't share your artifacts like this. It were local only. But now with the update, you can now start to share your artifacts with your team, and in this way, which is really, really awesome. This also makes it possible for, like, say you work at a bigger company, you use like a platform like Snowflake. You can build a dashboard connected to Snowflake data and then share that with your team to quickly visualize that data. You're sharing internally. You're not going out to the public. It's just internally with your org. It's a safe way to visualize that data with your connectors and that data within your ecosystem. So I love that. We have the new pop-out capability here. We can pop it out in that way. Really cool. Also, Claude Design is now a pop-out, and thank God, because before, when you went into Claude Design, it like assumed this, and then I couldn't multitask. I was just stuck in Claude Design and I couldn't move anywhere else. Now as a pop-out, it's way better. And I am using Claude Design all the time. Hopefully you are too, because it's really, really helpful. So those are just some of the updates that we're seeing now in Claude Cowork and Claude Chat, which have now been combined in the updated desktop app. A lot of good things happening here. If you don't have the desktop app, definitely recommend it. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm lucky to have a really good relationship with Anthropic. I teach Cowork nationwide to small businesses and enterprises. So if you have any questions, let me know. And generally, it was just like a great step forward for Anthropic, merging these two tabs together, bringing this experience together. Really well done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you soon. Peace.